Hi everybody, Tammy here with a quick little video to show you a super cute little doll that is new to my collection. Thank you to a friend of Ariel's, Jaren, over on Instagram for sending me this adorable little petite doll. She's been customized. The back of her head says Dream World Blythe. She's a little fairy. Let me show you the back. She's so... Okay, so she's a petite Blythe. She's the smallest of the three that they make. And you can see she's got little wings here, a little flower, a little clip in her hair. And like I said, there's the writing on the back of her head. The front of her face, she's had a face up. Her eyes have been got eyebrows. She's just so adorable. Look at her little outfit. She is just the cutest little thing. Thank you so much for sending her to me. I cannot tell you how, when I saw her, I couldn't believe it. She is so, so cute and she's perfect. And I don't have a lot of petites. I actually only have 2 petites besides her. So I have 3 now. I have one that Marna made for me. She customized her. Her name's Shelly. And then I have just like one that's just not customized. She's just plain Jane, an AliExpress one. And now this adorable doll. She is so cute. I love her hair. It's all poofy. I love her little outfit and her whole jam. The cute little fairy. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you have any fairy dolls in your collection or any petites? As usual, please give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Again, make sure to go over follow him over at a friend of Ariel's on Instagram. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.